What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Deanna. So we're going to be installing a wig today, of course, per usual, but the wig that we're installing is from Hermosa Hair. All the information for this hair will be in the description box below, and I'm really excited about this hair because it's really, really cute. So this is a 26-inch blonde highlight wig. It's in the straight texture right here, and it has pre-cut lace. So as you can see here, this is an 8x5 closure wig. So this is how far it goes from side to side. So it still covers a good distance, like amount of your forehead. So this is what it looks like. You can see the lace is pre-cut. The inside of the wig, it doesn't have any combs or anything. It's just a wig cap, but it does come with an elastic band right here. It was on, but it just slipped off. So this is the wig right here. It has this, it has the 8x5 closure, and then an elastic band. And then this is what it looks like. This is 180% density, so it is a pretty good volume for the length that it is. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video and start installing. So we got that in place. This wig cap needs a little bit of color to it. So I'm using my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation. I got this from Amazon. This is in the color level 15, but it has two tones to it. As you can see, it has like a darker tone and a more like caramel tone. I just take my flat brush and I really just swirl in between the two. I think it gives me like a good even tone. So we're just gonna do like this and swipe it along the front and do like this. Okay, so I do that just so this thick band right here has a little bit of color and it's not like super bright, because that does not match my complexion clearly at all. And then so now the next thing I'm gonna do is take my lace tint right here, and I'm gonna spray the inside of this lace. I didn't bleach the knots and they don't come pre-bleached, so I do need to color these knots a little bit just so it matches more closely to scalp and my complexion. The lace tint is in the color dark brown. Okay, this is just to let it dry some. All right, and so I'm gonna try it on without the wig band and see how it acts, but I may have to slick the wig band back on. Let me see. So without the wig band and without doing anything, this is how easy it is to like install the wig. I mean, you're essentially just sliding it on. Of course, like you would maybe have to style it, but as far as installing, that process is super simple. So just doing a couple of shakes. Like, you don't have to wear this wig gluelessly, but if you wanted to, I'm just showing you how sturdy it is without the wig band. So, but the issue is, like, here's the thing with glueless wigs. Yeah, we can shake our head like this, but no one is really moving like that in real life. The issue when it comes to wigs is it like sliding back when you wear it gluelessly. So that is like the true test. We're not really looking for it to like fall off your head. When we do like this, we're trying to see, oh, has it slid back? So let's say I wear my wig right here. If I do like this, is the wig slipping and sliding, or like just with natural wear, like if you sweat or whatever through the day, does it slide back? That's the real test. I think I am gonna put the wig cap on just because it feels a little loose. Not like it's gonna slide off loose, because as you've seen, like it didn't slide off, but I just want it to fit more snug on my head. So I'm gonna put this strap back on. See, putting the elastic band on, it feels more snug on my head, and that's what I like. It feels more secure, especially since it doesn't have like any combs in the back. I need it to feel a little secure. All right, so I decided that because this wig fits so snug, I am gonna install it gluelessly. Had I felt felt like it fit a little looser, I may have used some glue. But what I particularly like about this wig is that on my sides right here, it fits very snug, and that's really important for glueless wigs, or else this could be like lifting and flapping and it looks crazy. So even though it is snug though, I am gonna do like baby hairs right here to like try to cover up like my natural hairline, even though I feel like you wouldn't see it if I wear the hair like this. I just, for my peace of mind and reassurance, I want to do my baby hairs like that. So I'm gonna part out just a little bit on the sides like this, and I'm gonna just style my edges basically. All right, and now I'm just using my Eco Style gel, and I'm gonna swoop my edges in place. All right, so while my edges are sitting and laying in place, I am going to just pluck my part. So it already has a middle part right here, as you can see, but I think I want to like pluck it just a little bit wider to make my part more prominent. Also, I think I can make the part go like a little bit further back than it already is. So I am just parting the hair, and I'm just like literally plucking it like this. Now you want to be careful not to like rip the lace if you like take too big of chunks at a time. So I'm really just trying to take like a couple strands at a time and pluck this part. And now I'm just going to take my wax stick and my freeze stay and just make everything like lay flat and style it how I need it pretty much. I really like the texture of this hair. It's like a really soft silky texture. Like even though it's colored, it's very like silky. I don't know, I really love the texture of this hair. So I want to be careful not to put like too much product on it because I don't want to like weigh it down. It's very like light. And now now I'm just gonna like put some body waves in the hair. Like I'm gonna use my wand curler and I'm gonna curl my hair. One thing I like about curling highlight hair is that you get to really see the colors. I feel like curling it really makes the colors pop. So I'm gonna take this off and just finger comb through these curls. So anyways, it's supposed to be more of a body wave. This looks really cute. Of course, I need to cut some layers in it so it can fall appropriately. So to do so, I'm gonna part that over. Part that over and start about like right here. And I'm gonna start longer and work my way up. just gonna do the same thing to this side. So the concealer that I'm using is Warm Honey from NYX. Looks like this. And then I'm just taking a small flat angled brush and putting it in the middle of my part. Then I'm just gonna take my cream makeup again, rub it around in here, and just press into the lace here. Even though it already blends pretty well, I really don't need to do all that. I'm just gonna give it a quick press. All right, and this is the finished look. It came out super cute. I love how you have like the random highlights in the, well, the peekaboo highlights in the front, and you can just see the highlights throughout the hair. It looks really good. This is the back. I really love this hair. I love the texture of the hair. I love how well the closure fits on my head. So I feel like it's super sturdy. Like it's not, it ain't going nowhere, like I can tell. And the color is really good, especially to have like these blonde highlights in it and for it to still feel super soft and silky. This feels like really good quality hair. Like, you know, that hair that you touch, you be like, ooh, I feel like good hair. Like it has a nice like weight to it. It doesn't feel like too light. It doesn't feel cheap. Like it feels like nice hair. As you can see, like anytime I like shake my head, like it moves because it has like a lot of body. Like this hair has a ton of body. All you need to do is put a little curl in it, even without the curl. Like straight, you could tell it had a lot of body. And this is really cute. Anyways, you guys, like I said, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Adios, till next time.